Hello, this is just a short demonstration on how to change the date and time on one of these Spy video recorder pens. The pen that I'm going to be changing the date and time on is the 29 FPS version of the one that I sell. This can apply to a 4GB or an 8GB version. I have with me an 8GB version, which is the one that I'll be using. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to create a text file, just a standard text file. So all you need to do, I'm running Windows Vista here, but you can use this on any operating system. You just need to create a standard text file. So I'm going to right click on the desktop, select new text document. So as you can see here, a text document has been created. Now we need to rename this to call it time. Okay, so now we have the file. So I open it up, just resize it. Now all you need to do is type the date and time in the following format. So first comes the year, dot is the separator for the month. So the next is obviously the month, August, a separator for the date, and 27th today. Okay, then you need to enter one space. Okay, now it's the time. It's the 24-hour format, so it's 25 minutes past 10 at the moment, so that would be 22.25 and dot, and then seconds. We could just make it 00. Okay, all you need to do then is file, save the file, and then close it down. So now we have our file here called time with the correct date and time stored in there. Okay, now all you need to do is insert the Spy video pen into your computer, and so you can see what's on it, and you will copy this file onto the root folder. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the pen into the computer, and it should come up with a dialog box about here with a few options. So I'm just going to wait for the dialog box to come up now. Yes, Windows Vista is thinking about it now, and it will soon bring up the dialog box anytime soon. There we go. So what we need to do is say open folder to view files. Okay, now here on my machine it's come up as drive G, which is the pen, and if I click on this area is what we call the root folder, or the root area, the root directory. Okay, now this is where we want to copy the file that we created to. Okay, so I'm just going to right click on this file, copy, and then in here paste it. Okay, so now we have our file here. So that's all you really need to do. So now once I've got my file here, I can close this down. I won't do it, but just that's what you would need to do. Then you just take the pen out of your computer, and let's just say record a video, shut it down, record another video, shut it down. Then once you put it back in to the computer, you will see that this file is no longer there. If that is the case, then that means the pen has accepted your new settings for the date and time, and the sample videos that you recorded, at least one of them, if you recorded two, one of them will have the new date and time, and then any subsequent ones that you create will have the correct date and time. Okay, that's it.